Hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Hot Cross Buns Day on the D string. Okay. Hot Cross Buns is a great song because it uses one and two, much like our friend Mary Had a Little Lamb. You can use either or do both. They're both great Pre-Twinkle songs. All right, so let me introduce my friend, Miss Layla. She's hanging out here, dog sitting. She's not into my video, but this is her favorite spot, so she's in the video. Okay, so boss practice. Are you ready? Okay, so this is great for violin and viola, okay? So, and cello if you want to use three. All right, so two, here we go. 2, 1, D, 2, 1, D, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, D. That's it, right? Pretty simple. Go back, listen, play it back a couple times, sing it with me, get the boss to memorize it. If not, write it down, do what you need to do, all right? But I'll tell you, it's pretty easy. It's 2, 1, D, 2, 1, D, 4 Ds, 4 1s, 2, 1, D, okay? So let's do our plucking practice, because I love to do that first to get the fingers ready. So 1, 2 on the D string. I have my viola, thumbs, pointer fingers. Here we go. 2, 1, D, 2, 1, D, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, D. All right, that's it. So now time for the bow. 1 and 2 on the D string. Get your bow hold ready. Tippy toe pinky. Here we go. 2, 1, D, 2, 1, D, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, D. All right, that's it. That's it. What do you think, Layla? She's not interested, but I hope you were engaged. See you next time.